Hella work doing all that. I started, bro. I started. Hey. Yo, guys. Peep this 4-hour fair value gap. Hold on, let me make sure everybody there they are, there they are. What's up, guys? Loki, bro, I totally slept through my alarms, bro. I'm not gonna lie, gang. Fully slept through them, so yeah, I was cooked. Woke up at like 10, bro. Fully cooked. Hold on. What'd you say?
Stop it. What are you buying over there?
No. That's the entry. 581. Hit a 6 to 1. Nice, bro. Let's go. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie. My alarms like didn't even ring. I literally had everything set. Nothing fucking rang. I got cooked. Oh my god, 581 is so nice, bro. 581 is actually so nice.
Wait, limit start or buy?
Buy limit, buy limit.
I gotta put it in 20.
Alright, so I was looking at this 581 level for an entry for New York here, guys. Looking at 581 for an entry. Reason why it's 581. This is the only place where everything lines up. 4-hour fair value gap. We have a 15-minute fair value gap, and I believe a 5-minute. No 5-minute, but 4-hour and a 15-minute, maybe a 1. Nope, no 1. Actually, yeah, 1 does line up in there too. So, yeah, multiple higher time frame gaps here that are all lining up in this area. I doubt that this goes all the way back up to this 4-hour high at this point. After that previous week high sweep, looks really, really good now for continued downside. Look at this fucking bearishness. So this I would expect to be like a little retracement. 581 entry, 10-point stop loss. So 71 is the stop loss, and looking for a little bit higher. Not anything crazy. Again, I don't want to target this. The 4-hour high just because it's so bearish. It is so incredibly bearish that I'm just gonna be fine with just a little bit of a retracement here, and then yeah, move lower from there is what we are expecting. Did anybody pass some evals off the NFP? I told you guys it was gonna go higher, so low-key you guys should have just set your limits to the upside, but I'm pretty sure the downside limits hit as well. NFP candle from the swing low dropped almost 50 points. So if you did it to the swing low, it's almost 50 points. If you did it to the swing high, you would have easily passed. But I did tell you guys it was going to go higher for NFP. Exactly what ended up happening. Gold, we were trying to long.
Yeah.
Like down here in this area. The 640, we had 601.9.
Yeah.
It got filled. Bottom ticked.
Oh my. I mean, I would have been cooked regardless. I can't do more than 600, but
yeah, but
you would have smacked crazy.
Oh my
bro.
god, this would have been like. Hold on. Let me see how much I could have made on gold, bro. Let me see how much I could have made. I had bottom tick on gold, but I removed the limit. 601.9. Let's say I sold it at the highs.
Yeah.
I would have made 5 bands.
You would have done all 20, right?
Yeah, bro. 5 bands on 20, bro. I would have made 100 bands today.
Oh my god.
I would have made 100 bands today.
Key.
Fuck. Down more than 200 point from the high day. Should I close it? What do you mean down 200? What do you have? You have shorts? Shorting from 900 already. Oh. Yeah, bro, I missed this 900, bro. This was so good. Low key, don't close it, bro. If you have, do you have a multiple or do you only have one? You have multiple or only one? Take profit price. Take profit is $100 for a 50K account, all in right now. No activation, nothing. What's good, guys? Good morning. Dodgy took a 65-point loss and then took a 30-point win. And how he is break even, but he said he sized down. Dodgy, bro. Fucking dodgy.
Yo, also, where do I look for?
What do you mean? Yeah, look, we're here. 1. I was wondering, hey there, I was wondering, are you in need of any editor, long or short? Yo, Didi, DM me on Instagram. DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Keyflow trades on both. DM me. Brubs, we miss you for NFP. Bro, I set my alarm and it didn't ring, bro, so I couldn't get up, bro, unfortunately. But I gave you guys the exact formula for NFP. I showed you guys exactly how to pass, so you should have passed. TP for the long. I don't know yet, bro. I'm literally probably just gonna take like I'll probably take it to like a 15-minute unfilled, like one of these, or a 5-minute unfilled. That's it. What do you rate this setup? This setup I would rate like a B plus, low A. Only reason why this wouldn't be an A plus, only reason, is because we have so much momentum to the downside. We're down 200 points here. So kind of unrealistic for me to think that this is going to bottom tick and we go another 200 points back up. So, you know. Dump of doom. Yeah, bro, this is like for real the dump of doom, bro. And you know what's crazy? I had a fucking level at 900, bro. I had a level at 900. It literally had a level at 900. I'm actually such a dumbass. So cooked, bro. That 900 level would have banged, bro. Everybody on here would have been fucking millionaires today. Sounds like you just woke up, bro. I did, bro. I woke up late because my alarms didn't ring for the NFP move. What?
Raul just said, yo, you log into my account and copy it. That's how I do it as Battlefield.
He has CPI next week too, so low key like only thing is it's too risky for him today. You were trading the Asia session? Yes, bro. I trade the Asia session every day, bro. What confluence is for 900? There was a bunch of fair value gaps there, bro. Why doesn't your SL cover the whole 4-hour gap to be safe? Because that would effectively make this a 40-point SL, bro. That's not how I operate, unfortunately. I do not do 40-point stop losses. All right, we're about to get filled here off this 81 level. Let's see.
He said, I might do it myself. Is it actually risky? I said,
yeah.
I'll rely to you.
Yeah. Lost my eval. Being an ass today was on demo. 3 out of 3 wins. Guys, if you lost your eval, just reset it, to be honest with you. It's kind of the gamble you take on NFP, you know what I mean? Just the gamble you take. 581, 2 premium NGL. You do you based on my plan. That's not something I would take. Then don't take it. Yeah, I don't hate this at all. Just we have the 4-hour and the 15-minute here. The 15-minute is small enough that my stop loss is directly below the 15-minute. So if it stops out, then it stops out quickly. But other than that, if this doesn't work, I would be just looking for shorts. Is like basically the last area that I would look for longs. I'd look for shorts down to the previous day low at this point. because this previous week high sweep should just hold as high a day. Like I still am expecting this to be high a day, right? This is most likely high a day, and then we continue lower. Daily PO3, right? We're manipulating higher. Are we done right now? Yeah. This is daily PO3. Yo, bro, see, this is the problem about leaving the door open. You see this fucking stupid fly, bro? I'm gonna murder it and its entire family.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Idiots, bro.
You gotta got fly traps.
Yeah.
Below.
I followed your level last night, calls to 774 and made $500 per account. Let's fucking go, guys. Hell yeah, GG. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. This motherfucker's like bothering me in particular. Yeah, the bitch. We think of gold we dump from here? Gold, yeah, it looks dumpy, bro. Gold for sure looks dumpy. But what a pump on gold, bro, for the NFP move. What a pump. Does no one in the warehouse fuck with Mercedes? Hell no, bro. Yeah, no women in the warehouse.
Damn,
so
yeah.
only guys here. That fly is Justin Worley, bro. Your stop loss odds? 10 points, bro. It's 10 points. The sauce you give for free helps me a lot today. Thank you, brother. You're welcome. You miss streaming the open? Yeah. No, I'm not Indian. Yo, the true dark one, even though you're a professional rage baiter, I love you too, alright, bro? How'd you mark 581? 4-hour fair value gap and 15-minute fair value gap here. 1-minute fair value gap as well. How much is lifetime? And is it so I can learn more as well? Yeah, lifetime is 380, and yeah, you can learn more.
Come on, kill us, bro. Kill us.
Alright, I got filled there. See, I need a quick bounce. Please and thank you. This should either be the quickest stop loss or like it should just push here. Ooh. Why don't you have an open P&L? Oh, whatever. It's straight because it says it on the top. Alright, bro. I'm like looking for nice like 1-minute high here, and that's it.
Oh, there it is.
I don't like the counter trend trade enough to hold it all the way to like the 4-hour high. Otherwise, I would. If this fails, this is going to the previous day low. It's already super bearish. There we go. Nice. Go break even here. Or actually stop at the low. Wait, whoa. There we go. Okay. Put a stop at the low now. Less risk on the table. Yeah, it took me out. Alright. That's probably the only long I tried today. You didn't get to move it?
No.
Huh? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm only gonna be looking for shorts here, honestly. That was the last area where this could really bounce from, this 4-hour gap, and it did not bounce from that area. Granted, it could like dig a little bit deeper, yeah, but I still don't like it for short anymore. Yeah, 380 enrolls you into the premium for life. It was worth a shot, bro. It was worth a shot.
hovering at our stop.
Nah, yeah, it's definitely gonna go lower. Definitely gonna go lower. Turn the lights on the M3.
Oh, now it's cool.
And nah. Can you explain the short? What do you mean? We just had a previous week high sweep. This is what I'm at. If you guys were in the Asia stream yesterday, I told you guys, I am looking for a price to go higher into the previous week high and then potentially rejection from there, right? The previous week high is what we were targeting. We hit the previous week high, NFP move, hit the previous week high, and then now we're going lower. So that's why it's rejecting now. It's like basically targeting previous day low now. Like the most area where it makes the most sense. Maybe what? I know, bro. It's so annoying. Yeah, I would have, bro. I would have fucking, oh my god, I would have been up so fat, it wouldn't even be real. Guys, this 15-minute gap, I like. This, like, 15-minute gap that's formed up here. I just don't know if it's got it in it to, like, make a move up that far. It's just so weak. So weak. I don't know if, like, if this closes, it'll go all the way up to the 15-minute gap. I think it's too bearish. But there's nothing here on the 5-minute. There's no 5-minute gaps. Six, 7. Gotta make a call real quick. Thoughts on GC? Looks a little bearish right now, but I don't know. Yeah, shit's pumping now. Yo, Shinobi, 1 minute. Hmm? Yeah, me too. 692 does look good, but is it gonna go all the way there? Bro, that's the 5-minute gap there as well. There's nothing else here. The 5-minute gap is or 15-minute gap is 692 as well. I'll try 692 out, guys. 692.75. Same thing. Stop loss is 10 points. But I like this. We have the 5-minute gap here. We have the 15-minute gap here. And we have a 1-minute gap here. This is like the only place where things are lining up. There's nothing else here. Like this 5-minute gap up top. First of all, I don't know if it's got it in it to go all the way up there. And it aligns with basically like the top quadrant of this 15-minute. But there's nothing there on a 1, right? This is the only area where the 1-minute lines up, the 5-minute lines up, and the 15-minute lines up. All of them line up here. Yeah, I know. We would have. What was our buy? Yeah, fucking, we would be up fat right now. but it's just
Cardinals,
I'm not keeping
that's too much risk, though.
a wider stop loss. Yeah, he was. He's up though on the day still. What about gold? It's not doing shit. Do you always trade Fridays? Yeah, bro. Let's see if this could do it, bro. Nice. Yeah, let's see what this shit does, bro.
Should Raul take this one?
Huh?
Should Raul take this one or now he's watching?
Yeah, he can take this one. Still like fucking risky, but whatever. Yeah, nothing. Huh? It's not the daily open. Daily open is 700. Is it still gonna go down? I believe so. I believe it should continue to the previous day low. Guys, that fucking long, if the stop loss was like 20 points, this would have banged, bro. But I don't be doing that, bro. I don't be doing that. Can't keep 20-point stops. Yeah, that stop loss would have fucking banged. Or the trade would have banged. Yeah, the 4-hour gap CE was perfect, bro. Loki should have just limited there, but I like the entrance a little bit better. TP where, bro? TP like wherever you want, but like let the trade get filled first, bro. We're not even close to getting filled yet. I'm talking about TP. It's rejecting right now. See, this is what I'm saying. I don't know if it's got it in it to get all the way up there, but this is like the only thing I see. I'm not doing anything else. This is the only one I see here. Are you playing short at 702.75? Yeah, it's no. 702.75 is the stop loss. 692.75 is my limit sell. In this situation, why would you prefer putting your order at the entry of the 4-hour FVG instead of the CE of the 4-hour FVG? It just looked a little bit better, and that's the only place where we could line up the 15 and 5-minute gaps that we had there. The 15-minute gap did not line up with the CE at all, so that's why I didn't like it as much. Yeah, I don't know if this gets up there, bro. We have the rejection block right here. See, maybe it could bounce here and then get up there, potentially. Buys on gold? No. No, nothing on gold here yet, bro. Is that how you get these bottom top tipping levels? Just PD arrays on different time frames that line up. That's one of the ways. The other way I can't share here. I only share in the Discord. Bro, someone in Justin's Discord saw his screen and background. Add your YouTube video. No joke, for real. He said, "Oh, that's my boy Key. Ignore that." Nuh-uh. You're capping, bro. I'm gonna need proof of that. I need proof of that. Yeah, I took the low. Huh? Yeah, guys, remove these limits. Took the low. Somebody just came into my chat. He said 2 days ago, someone in Justin's Discord saw his screen and background had your YouTube video. No joke, for real. He said, "Oh, that's my boy Key. Ignore that." I don't know if I believe that. I need like real proof. I'm premium on the cord when I click. You're premium on the cord, you're chilling. Huh? What about it? I really don't want a long anymore, bro. Not a fan. This is down from the highs. We're down 355 points right now. I'm gonna find that video and send it. Yo, Mauricio, send me that video. I'll give you a free funded right now. Yeah, bro, that's fine, but like I'm not interested. The hourly doesn't even line up. It's not 500.75. What are you talking about? I made 5K on that play. Which one? Which play? You choose a strategy on your Discord. Yeah, I am this weekend. This weekend, first time I'm teaching it. I gotta stop breaking rules on Apex. I can pull this damn money out. Yeah, bro, stop. Fucking fly, bro. Swear to God. What's the consistency rule for 150Ks on funded? Yeah, what prop are you talking about? Talking about Apex is 30% across like all of them. You didn't take the short, bro. I was not up, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Otherwise, I would be in this bitch right now. On Apex, yes, 30%. 30% consistency on Apex. Why do you think the reason price went this down? I thought we were bullish on the day. We were bullish until previous week high. That's where I would have flipped my bias. I told you guys previous week high is where I'd be bullish till. Discord DMs. Oh shit! There's somebody from the Discord. Holy shit, bro! You seen, bro? That is so fire. Oh my God! Let's fucking go, bro. That is so gas. Hell yeah, bro. That is fire. How do you get into the Discord? It's the first link in the description, bro. First link in the description of this video. Or this live, whatever. We're almost at previous day low, guys. We're almost at previous day low. That's the draw now, but there's like nowhere. Look, even this, look at this. This bounce that we had here, there was nowhere this rejected from. There's nothing on the 1 minute, and there's nothing on the 5 minute. That's why I wanted it to go a little bit higher, but there's literally nothing here that it rejected from. No 15 minute, nothing. Do you have any bias? Might draw on liquidity? Yeah, we're short into previous day low. You share your model on TikTok? Nope. This model I don't share anywhere.
Sorry, with coffee.
Try to join Discord, just asking for real money. I can slip you some MREs when I was. Is there a link to your Discord? Yes, it's the first link in the description, bro. Are you gonna trade right now? No. No trade right now. Just short bias until previous day low, and then at previous day low, maybe it gets a bounce. Maybe. But yeah, that's the target here. Previous day low. Sakuna gatekeeping. Is that Sakuna? Are you Sakuna? How do you use time frame aligned key raise for levels? Do you use time frame? Yes, I do. We brother-in-laws? No, we're not. I want to scalp short to the low. I mean, bro, so did I, but there's like nothing here, bro. Literally nothing here. Justin W just said at previous day low, maybe you get a bounce. Where is he saying that? What are you guys talking about? Shooting taking 503? Yeah, I'm not long in, bro. Same thing. Huh? Yeah. I'll try 571 if we can get there without breaking the low. We have the 1 minute gap here, the lower 1 minute gap, 571, guys. I don't know if it'll get there without like 71, 75, 10-point stop loss on that, so 81, 75. And then obviously the upper one, which is 614. 614 up here. You could also do that as well. I'm gonna do that too. 614.25. I have some profits to play with from the Asia session. That's why I'm just gonna try both of these out. 614.25, 624.25. All right, we'll try these two out, both on the 1 minute here. This one, actually, if this 15-minute closes and lines up, then let's see. These are both my limits here. Put it in. 71.75. A lot of people and big names in the trading industry got banned from Apex after requesting a big payout. I mean, yeah, if you request $1 million payout, they'll probably ban you because they don't want you to keep rinsing them. That's like, you know, kind of what happens. But you don't have to worry about it until you get $1 million payout. When reviewing PA today, where would have been a good entry to catch downside? 900. 900, that was the level that I had. What I find wired is how you bash mean. But you don't. I don't share your model. What are you talking about? I don't need. You're not even speaking real English right now. You think that hourly rejection block from yesterday's New York AM is valid to target like 40 points? Hourly rejection block from yesterday's New York AM. Talking about this one, 10 AM one right here. Yeah, this is pretty good to target. I think previous day low though still. Still think previous day low is like where the move is. Did you ever get any sort of problem with Apex when requesting payout? And be honest, I had one problem, and it was because I didn't follow the consistency rule. I was over the consistency. It's the only time I've ever had a problem with Apex. What do you rate those setups? These are pretty solid setups. I mean, they're going with the trend. Only issue is like, bro, we are down a lot, bro. A lot here. But we're close enough to previous day low that that's where it seems like price wants to draw to. So that's why I'm totally fine with shorting these. 71, 75, 14. Yep.
Shit about that.
What? Where's the charger? Yo, Shinobi, give him your charger, bro.
No.
Bro, every single... Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna remove these limits as well now. It just, bro, it just doesn't have enough strength to, like, get up to it anywhere at all. No, I'm not Nepali, bro. What the fuck kind of a question is that? You guys ask some weird-ass questions, bro. Do you watch ES? Yeah, I watch ES as well. Still, previous day low is going to be the draw here. You're my stomach right now?
That was you?
Yes. Cooked, gang.
You last night right now.
Huh?
Last night.
Yeah.
Okay. Get it, Bev. This is hot though. Nice. A hot drink.
No, I'm not. I didn't get that.
You didn't get no drink?
No. I'm chilling with my water. You think this 4-hour topic will be traded into next week? It's not. Yeah, I do think that at some point this gets traded into. Oh, fuck. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, 78.25 I like, man. 78.25. If we could, like, maybe get to it without fucking dumping. It's just falling, bro. Look at this. It's just falling. It doesn't like have enough juice to even pull back to a 1 minute fair value gap, bro. 88.25 stop here. If this 1 minute closes here, that's the 15-minute CE as well. Or if this 15-minute closes here, it has a minute left, minute and a half. Oh, what the fuck have I done here? $88.25. Come on, just close that 15-minute, minute and a half. I already have that. Cap to this. Bottom tick that off OTE. Yeah, I just, bro, there's like a bunch of opportunities to long here, but I just do not like the long at all whatsoever. No, I do not watch anime. Never watched anime in my life. Can I see your settings for daily profile indicator? And bro, the indicators or the settings are the same. I have not fucked with any of the settings. This is like all the same. Whatever the settings that they spawn in with. Same settings. No, I don't think this is gonna reverse up to the 4-hour. We have too much of a range here. Too much of a range for this to reverse to the 4-hour at this point. Like way too much of a range. First 15-minute candle closing green here. I'm trying this out. To me, this is like kind of like B plus setup because yeah, there we go. 15-minute close. There's a 15-minute gap here now too. We can see how this works. All right, I got filled there. TP on any short that I take, by the way, guys, is gonna be previous day low. All right. Let's see. The upper 1 minute. Oh, yeah, quick stop. Upper 1 minute gap is like half decent, but I'm not taking this either, bro. I'm not taking that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not taking this. 15-minute gap up top, decent. I know we have SMT with ES here, which might actually like this might finally get a little bit of a push here. Might finally get a little bit of a push. Just because SMT got created with ES.
Oh, $50.
Yeah, bro, we're up from last night.
Yeah.
So I'm fine with like risking.
I stopped that a little bit earlier than you. Not stopped that, but closed low.
Which one?
Yeah. You're up more than me. Because I didn't want to go past 600.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna reject back down at some point, for sure. But gonna have to wait. I don't like this 1 minute gap anymore up here. What happened? Uh-huh.
You said 505.25?
Yes, I know there's ES SMT here, bruv. I know there's ES SMT here. Yo, can you guys stop spamming the same thing? Like, what do you mean the daily candle was rebound? Like, shut up, bro. Stop spamming the same thing. This upper 15-minute gap, not bad. The CE of this. 710. Somebody said bro's tilted. Bro, I don't think you understand how much I'm up from Asia stream, bruv. I don't think you understand. This 5-minute gap, 15-minute gap, they line up. Nothing else really. Maybe like maybe lower time frames, maybe, but still kind of eh. Yeah, there is a 1 minute BPR above this one right here. I haven't marked out, but I'm not like not a fan, bro. I would rather let it push to a 15-minute, like, up top. Be a little bit better. It's just risky, like, shorting these lows, right? Like, anywhere down here in this area, it's gonna be risky. Like, you're taking the inherent risk because there's not a deep enough pullback that we could get to frame, like, good shorts, right? If you want to frame, like, a really good short, it would have to be up here in premium. And price just simply does not have enough juice to get up here into premium. It, like, literally just doesn't. So, I don't know. $6.95 I like, but again, dude, does not have enough juice to get anywhere. $6.95 is decent. We have the 5-minute or 15-minute gap there. 5-minute gap directly underneath that. 5-point difference. Right. So we'll see. When do you go live? Usually I'm live. So today I was gonna be live at 8 a.m. for the NFP. But I did not go live this morning. But if you guys want, like, normally it's at 9 a.m. Normally I go live 9 a.m. in the AM session and 8:30 p.m. Eastern for Asia. But yeah, if you guys want to know exactly when I go live, when you subscribe, just turn on the noti bell, and the noti bell will tell you exactly when I'm going live. Bro, Al, I just don't share this model here. Like, it's literally very simple. If you want to learn the model, I teach it in Discord. If you don't want to learn the model, don't join the Discord. I don't sit here pushing my Discord, bro. If you want to join, join. If you don't, don't. I'll watch and see where this puts in SMT, because wherever this puts in SMT at these highs is where we can see, like, a potential rejection. We need some internal SMT here, though, at these inside these highs. Discord link's the first one in the description, bro. Why don't you use NQU? You don't need to. If you use NQ1, you can go into your settings here, go to symbol, and adjust for contract changes, and it automatically puts it to the current contract. So you don't need to use the current contract. We're almost in this BPR, 1 minute BPR here. I think it just pushed into that. Did it? No, it didn't. Not yet. Not yet. What time do you get off in New York trading session? Whenever I feel like it, really, bro. Whenever I feel like it. Yes, I'm gonna stream, bro. You guys are asking questions that I, like, answer on a daily basis. Why are you asking if I'm gonna stream every day, bro? Every day. I'm here twice a day, every day. No SMT here yet either. No internal SMT. There's the BPR getting hit right there. On the weekends too? No, bro, I don't stream on the weekends. What's that FVG indicator? Literally just some random one I found. Simple ICT, OB, and FVG. You should have bot post automatically most asked questions. I don't know how to do that. If I knew how to do that, I would. I don't think you could do that though. Can you? Let me ask ChatGPT.
Say bot that I can make. Or it's gonna think it's gonna develop one.
Let's see. See what ChatGPT says to that. You can? Alright. Let's see. This shit is building a YouTube bot right now for FAQs. That's good though. I don't want to make it myself.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I would rather this thing make it. Chatbot service. Oh shit, you can do that, huh? It's called Nightbot. Yeah, this is interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and add a Nightbot. Let's see. Wait, but this is in add to chat. YouTube. Alright, let's see. How do I chat moderation? Connect channel. In your stream chat. Okay, hold on. I got a /mod Nightbot. That work? I don't know if that worked or not, but let's see. At 95 level, I still like, bros. I still like the 95 level. There's a 1 minute gap up there too. Okay. Create. Alright. Let's see. L static? There's no static. Okay, I'm gonna see if it works. I put on a timer thing. Let's see, bro. 15-minute gap is coming in hot. We need SMT in there, bro. We absolutely need SMT in there in order for me to take this trade. If we don't have any SMT, it's not being taken. ES is a little stronger than NQ right now, which means ES will push up before NQ does, which is not what we're looking for. Alright, can this Nightbot thing send the message? Like, I'm trying to see if this works. Hello? You took that short secretly? What short? I didn't take a short. Oh shit, there's songs I could play on here too? Oh, there we go. There we go, Nightbot. It worked. It worked. W Nightbot, bro. Let's go. Can I change the Nightbot? Like, can I change his name to something else? Am I able to change his name? For real? Yeah, Keybot. Alright. What are some more, like, questions I get asked on a daily basis, bro? Like, every other day. Or every day, rather. I'm trying to think. What are some FAQs? Can Nightbot post links? I'm gonna put the free Discord in the Nightbot thing so I can spam that. Let's do like every, yeah, I think every 5 minutes should be straight. Discord's free. There is a free Discord too. That's why I'm gonna put it in here. Guys, let's get the likes. Yo, there's only 67 likes. Yo, guys, you better like the stream, bro. Let's put that in the thing too.
For sure, no.
Okay. That's mine? But damn shit's hot.
You want to keep this up?
flew right over his head, bro. I'm very aware what 6-7 means, okay? Probably made 6-7 jokes. I probably made more 6-7 jokes than you. Still got some SMT here, man. Oh, yeah. Here, I'll put the Discord one here. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. All right, somebody do the exclamation mark Discord. Somebody do it. I should put it in here. What the fuck? Why is it not doing it? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Yo, not everybody does not need to spam it, bro. It's right there. The link is right there. That's the free Discord, guys. Join the free. If you guys are not already in, join the free Discord. That's where we're all gonna gather and you know, do things that we will not speak of to the general public. Yo, what other command can I add? Yo, why are we still spamming Discord? Why are we still spamming it? You guys got the link. You guys got the link. He goes, somebody says foot cam. Dick cam. First rule of Discord, we don't speak about the Discord. Exactly, bro. Can you make delay on spams? Nah, because when we do a W spam, it's gonna get cooked.
Exclamation point Raul and then color for description.
What?
Command.
Or what? What should I say?
Exclamation point Raul. Color for description of how.
Why do you think it's dumping so hard? Because we swept the previous week high, which was the draw for the week, and then obviously the NFP. NFP day, it gets a huge range. Yo, guys, also, for people who are most active in the chat, I just set up giveaways for the most active people in the chat. So it's going to pick one person that's most active through the stream. Or we could do like 2 or 3 people, and you guys are going to get free fundeds. That doesn't mean spam. That does not mean you fucking spam, please. Right? But free giveaways. Now you guys are just going to spam shit, bro. What time will we end the stream today? I don't know, bro. It goes, how you doing? Bro, please. Alright, bro. You guys are tweaking out, bro. Chill. Chill, bro. No spam. Alright. Yo, L rage bait, bro. L rage bait. Yo, you guys need to chill out, bro. Chill out. God damn. Also, I'm making it worth mentioning, guys. I'm making it to where the people who can win the giveaways, the only people who can win the giveaways are regulars, which means you have to show up for the streams. If you're a regular and you show up here, then that's the only way you're gonna win a giveaway. If you're not a regular, you're cooked, bro. You're cooked. It's over. If you're some rando that just joined stream and starts spamming, cooked. Gotta be a regular. ES is almost inside of this 15-minute gap, man. Are you even considering longs right now? Nah, I'm not. Regular in the stream, do pop quiz to answer in free Discord. Yo, guys, make sure you join the Discord, guys. Everybody join the fucking free Discord. Where's the Kahoot? I have the Kahoot right here, but like we're waiting for a trade, so I'm not gonna do it just yet. I'm gonna wait. Kahoot for the giveaway? Yes, we're doing the Kahoot giveaway too. Yo, you guys want to do the Kahoot giveaway right now, or should we like just watch the charts for a little bit? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Kahoot giveaway right now or charts? Kahoot? Okay. What's my Kahoot, man? Alright, guys, we're doing the Kahoot right now. We're doing the Kahoot right now. Charts. White Beamer is giveaway. Alright. Let me... Alright, there we go. There's the Kahoot thing. There's the Kahoot thing, okay? Boom, there you go. The top 3 people here, the top 3 are gonna win free fundeds. The top 3 are gonna win free fundeds. Everybody join up. There's the link. It's just, you just gotta go to this website right here, kahoot.it, and then put in this pin. And top 3 people who win this are gonna get free fundeds, free fundeesies. I never done this. So you're gonna have to keep my stream up. You're gonna see the question on my stream, and you're gonna answer it on your guys' screen, okay?
Most people are young bulls, they never.
Yeah, or just old bulls.
Or old, yeah. Have you been seeing these guys' videos?
Guys, the link is right here. I highlighted the link. It's right here.
Oh, just literally just go PJ everywhere. Clayton, Kim, and all their boys.
Oh, I think I've seen that.
Bro, their
Trust
YouTube
fund
videos. Yeah, no. Clayton hit crazy on crypto.
Oh, for
100
real?
mil almost.
Luke Tran. Why is Luke in here? Start it. People are still joining, bro. Yo, I'm gonna let like 3 more people join, bro. 3 more people.
Yo.
Yeah, this is crazy work.
Him.
We're about to start. We're about to start. We're about to start. If you're not in, get in right now. We're about to start. The link is right here, bro. www.kahoot.it. And then put in this code. Put in the pin. 10 seconds. Okay, let's wait 10 seconds. We're gonna do a countdown. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. What is the OG flow model? This is question number 1. What is the OG flow model? Who knows the answer to this? Okay. Okay. TM, full port, and Jonah up top right now. You guys are up top right now. True or false, key flow is 25. False. 94. 68 people got that wrong. Holy shit. All right, who's up top? Damn, full port taking the lead, but we still have full port, TM, and Jonah top 3 right now. Keys left toe is. What is a scalp trade?
I think gold.
Held for a few seconds or minutes, held for days or weeks on end, can be held for any time frame or held throughout the day. What is a scalp trade? Huh? Probably. Did? Nice. Whoever got that wrong, bro, you're actually cooked. Oh my god, full port the only one standing on the top 3, boys. What's happened? What is PO3? What is PO3? Is it accumulation, manipulation, accumulation, higher time frame, PD array, SMT, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or manipulation, accumulation, distribution? What is PO3? Really? On TikTok?
Like
Whoever answered accumulation, manipulation, accumulation, you are so cooked. Keys left toe. Keys left toe, Diddy trades, and Heap in the top 3 right now. We only have a few more questions. Which of the following cars has Key not owned? 991.2 GT3, F90M5, 991.2 GT3 RS, or F80M3? Which one have I not owned? Not owned, not owned. Okay. Alright, very good. Alright, Darcy, Keys left toe, and Heap, top 3 right now. What does a candle always do? PDH, PDL, LR, LR, HR, HR, buy side, sell side, or open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close. What does a candle always do? These are pretty simple questions. Okay, nice. Whoever got these wrong, bro, what are you guys doing? Yo, Darcy is on fire. Darcy, Heap, and Keys left toe still top 3, guys. What is Keyflow's code? What is Keyflow's code? Code flow, code key, code cobra. Honestly, this should be obvious. I'm not even going to put this. Which one is it? There's like a free win, bro. Free win right here. Look at the chart. I'm looking at the chart. It didn't hit my level. Wait, did it hit my level? No, it didn't. It didn't hit my level. And no SMT up there either, so. Alright, code key. Nice. Darcy, Heap, and Keys Lefto still up top. Nice. What is SMT? What is SMT, bruv? What is SMT? All right, nice. Very nice. Sweeps liquidity and ES does not. Keep. Keys Lefto, Darcy still up top, bruv. Still up top. True or false? IOFED stands for Institutional Order Flow Exit Drill. Institutional Order Flow Exit Drill. Is that what IOFED stands for? True or false? Oh my god. Who got that? Who put true, bro? You guys probably didn't read, huh? Heap, Keys, Lefto, and Darcy still killing it, bro. We got 10 more questions. When the 4-hour candle makes a top wick, what do we expect? Nice. All right, leaderboard still the same. Top 3 has not changed. Which of the following is a key opening we should pay attention to? 12 a.m. open, 9 p.m. open, 2 a.m. open, or 9 a.m. open? Which is a key open? I'll make it true. What is a true open here? What's a true open? What is a true open? It is not the 9 a.m. open, guys. It is not the 9 a.m. open. Okay, CQ coming into the top 3 here. True or false? TPT has 1-day pass. True or false? Wow. You guys tweaked out, bro. Apex is the one with 1-day pass. When does Key usually stream? When does Key usually stream? 8:30 a.m., 9 p.m., 9 a.m., 8:30 p.m., 9:30 a.m., 9 p.m., or 10 a.m., 8:30 p.m. The answer literally just got put into the chat for this, like, not even a few minutes ago. So everybody should get this right. I love that audio.
It's your video.
Watch it, shit's fire. Deep CQ Darcy. Still top 3.
A lot of SVJ.
Yeah. Which of the following is a mitigation block?
Oh, you just had to put Raul's card there on the whole video. Towards the end. Okay. The flame clip was fire.
Oh. All right, nice. Deep CQ Darcy. What card should Key buy next? What? Hold on, I'm gonna skip this.
What was the answer?
I don't even know. That was like a
That's
silly question. What's the aligned time frame for a 1-day PD array? Aligned time frame for a daily PD array. Daily PD array. What is the aligned time frame, boys? You got me another water. Yep, it is the 1 hour. The leaderboard's still the same. We got like 4 more questions, guys. Cold, please. Why is risk management important?
here with a little more green. I'm about to dip in a little bit and then come back for Asia.
There's no Asia tonight. Market's closed. All right. What is engineered liquidity? We got 3 more questions after this, and that's it. Everybody lock in, lock in. Last 3 questions, guys. Okay. Wow, leaderboard still has not changed, but Truvant is coming in hot, bro.
Keep's not gonna lose, bro. You can answer.
How long has Keep been trading for? This is, some people will actually people will get this wrong.
Can't do math.
Yeah, people will get this wrong.
Waiting for somebody to click this. This is insane. Oh my god, somebody
2 people actually hit that. All right, nice.
Yo, who put 6-7 months, bro?
Truvant has made it into the top 3, Brev. Who is the greatest trader of all time?
Everyone put red.
Whoever answers blue, you're banned. You're banned. Oh my god.
12 people to try to reach me.
All right. Wait, we have one last question. One last question. Journaling will not improve your trading. This is the last question, guys. Boom. Nice. All right, who won? Let's see top 3 podium. 14,000 points. We got Truvant. We have CQ and I think Darcy's top. Darcy's up top, right? Or no, Heap. Sorry, Heap. Heap. All right. U3, CQ, Heap, and Truvant. Open a ticket. Take a screenshot of this or prove that this is you. And yeah, that's it. CQ, Heap, and Truvant. Prove that this is you, gang. Prove this is you. And open a ticket in the Discord. Open a ticket in the Discord. Join the free Discord and open a ticket. I didn't take this because no SMT, bro. No SMT here. So I did not take that. Join the free Discord, open a ticket. The winners. Get you guys your free accounts right now. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah. Huh? Oh, but. Guys, I would watch 594.75 here. This is a level that I have. Watch this. There's just no SMT being put in at all, so that's why it's like kind of iffy. Alright. I think Justin Werling is in here watching. I just can't prove it. He probably is. That was fun, bro. Let's run that shit up again. We will. We will absolutely run it up again, bro. Do you teach order flow course in Discord? I don't trade order flow, bro. I do not trade order flow. What's the P&L for today? I am right now. I'm up $38 across 20 accounts right now. Yeah, no SMT in here, man. Which profit level did trailing drawdown stops in Apex for 50K accounts? It's 52.6. 52.6K, the trailing drawdown stops at 50K, and it does not move from there. Weren't you green from Asia last night? Yes, I was.
Bro, this market fucked me.
New sub, let's go, bro.
Oh, Perseus is in here. You know what Perseus does for me? For a free membership?
What?
You wanna know what Perseus did for a free membership to my Discord? He made a clipping page.
Nice. I'm 500 USD away from it. Nice.
See anything else?
There you go. 500 USD, you should be chilling, bro.
See anything else?
No.
I'm gonna start setting up the hex lights.
Alright, bet.
Make myself a little bit useful.
Yeah, then throw those boxes away when you're done with them, too. I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about those ones. And these two, too. All of them?
Oh.
Key, will you pay for my Top Step XFA? You're crazy. Huh?
Stuff coming.
2 weeks, 2-3 weeks, tops. Do I teach my secret strat in my Discord? Yeah. Did you blow your profits from Asia? I just cut into the profits a little bit. I mean, I'm still up, but I cut into them a little bit. What are you doing? Move? I know, I'm just blocking my light.
I'm not.
You are. You're covering the entire door. I don't think you're realizing how much body mass is.
Yo, I have a knife in my hands. I'll end your shit on the live right
Day 4 of asking, what can I do to get a lifetime membership free? Let me create a clipping page. You know what, bro? I'll do this, bro. I'll do this. If you guys create a clipping page and you clip my streams and you post them, if you guys create a clipping page and you clip my streams and you post them, I will give you free lifetime on in my Discord. But the clipping page has to do at least in 1 month. It has to do at least, let's say not 1 month. Let's say in 2 weeks, it's got to do at least 10,000 views. 2 weeks, at least 10,000 views, and I'll give you free lifetime for the clipping page. You gotta you can clip my streams, you can clip the vlogs I'm gonna be posting, you can clip whatever you want. Just clipping page, it needs to hit at least 5,000 views in the first 2 weeks. Did I say 5,000? No, 10,000 views in the first 2 weeks. And then remind me. Show me proof on Instagram or YouTube Shorts, wherever, bro. Whatever platform, doesn't matter. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever, bro. Bro, if you don't mind asking, yeah, I'm not sick, bro. I'm just like, I don't know. Should have clipped DoorDash dude from last night. I mean, you could literally go back in the stream and clip it. How do we reach out to you to show you? You could just literally show up in the streams and tell me, because I'm streaming every day. You guys can show up in the streams and tell me, or you can open up a ticket in the Discord and you could tell me there. The free Discord, you could just do !Discord and it'll pop the free link up, and you could go in there and you can give me a, what's it called? Give me, you could open up a ticket and tell me in there. There's no SMT here, bro. That's the ish. No SMT right now at all. It just hit my level, I think. Just hit the level 94.75. That was the level that I had right there. Just hit it. But no SMT, so I'm not taking it. I'm about to run up a Keyflow TikTok. Yeah, bro, run up a Keyflow TikTok. Guys, everybody join the free Discord. Everybody in here, join the free Discord. It's free, bro. It's fucking free. How many trades you take per day? I mind asking. Usually like 3, give or take about 3. If I take a fat win, I usually call it a day. Guys, this level is up nice, actually. 15 points off this level right now. 16 points right now. Pretty cool. Justin's waiting for your next trade. Yeah, he is. You live every day? Yes, I'm live. Bro, the message just got sent. The message literally just got sent. I'm live every single day. The schedule is right there, too, in the message. I've been in short since 887. You think taking profit at previous day low is valid? Yes. Previous day low is a very good area to take profit. Guys, 20 points from that level right there at 594. 20 points so far. What happened to your premium Discord? It's still there, bro. Premium Discord's still alive and well. Discord gets something completely different than the live trading, bro. You guys get live trading, but Discord gets something completely different. Discord link, the free link, just do !! Discord, and for the paid link, it's gonna be the first link in the description. What account are you giving? Apex, the Apex accounts. Any size account, you're just gonna get a code. Any size account, Heap. What do you expect for NQ next week? I'm gonna be doing a weekly outlook in the Discord, bro, for NQ next week. Should I take profit now and wait for another short entry on my Top Step Express up 286 on 2 minis? Yeah, you could do. You could take. I mean, you're short. Yeah, you could TP if you want. I don't know, bro. I mean, my long level is banging right now. It bottom ticked. Long level bottom ticked. It's up 30 points right now. 33. Justin talking mad shit about you on Insta. Y'all need to box this out. Justin's fucking washed, bro. The kid signal bots me. Who cares what he says? Guys, yo, Shinobi. Shinobi. You know the broker Cobra Trading? They invited me to a dinner in New York. I'm not going to that shit. I should, to be honest. Yeah. Creativeness. Guys, this trade is pushing, bro. This trade is pushing 45 points off that low, like literal bottom tick off that low there at 94.25. Huh? No, I marked out a level. I didn't take it because there was no SMT, but it hit. Don't you have a free trial? I used to. It's gone now. 11.2K on the day on 5 Express accounts. Let's fucking go, bro. Yeah, definitely should be calling it a day. Almost 50 points here. TP, if you guys are in this, just TP whenever you want, bro. Like, manage your trade. I'm not in it, so I just gave you guys the level. I gave you guys a bottom tick. Manage it how you want if you're in it. Bring back free trial? Probably not, bro. Probably not. I'm about to go long. What's the probability? Bro, kind of too late, bro. You should have taken the bottom tick. I wouldn't really like take anything here because there's a good chance it might just consolidate now after we made this large of a move. You guys got to understand, top to bottom, we made a how much is this? 397, almost 400 point move. Almost 400 point move. So now it's better for you to chill out if you're not already in a trade. If you're not already in this one, in this bottom tick that I gave out, if you're not in this, chill. See the 4-hour wick? No. 15-minute gap right here. 15-minute gap. Almost 50 points on this bottom tick here. There we go. There's 50 points there. 50 points on the bottom tick. It'll be 73 points at this high right here. If you're in this, I would TP some at this high. Right here. TP some at that high. ES is almost there. VWAP too greedy. I don't know where VWAP is. I don't use VWAP, so I have no idea. But 669 up here, 669. This is a good TP because this is the swing high right here. Another big trader is in shorts and his stop is at 669. I mean, I don't really care about anybody else, bro. I'm telling you, I gave you guys a trade. It's gonna hit. That's it, bro. That's it. That's how it works. 669 is coming in hot. 669 is coming in hot. It's almost there too. You guys, if you guys took this off that level, you guys should be break even right now. Everybody should be break even. The trade's free. Let it run to the 669. It's gonna get there. 73 points at the highs. Ideally, this candle is the one that pushes up into 669 here. Subby, that level bottom ticked.
Did it?
Yeah.
Got in or no?
No.
You get in?
I don't think you were in. We don't have any limits anywhere.
You said you didn't get in either, right?
No.
Trevor, did you catch that?
I need any entry right now. I'm not in any entry right now, but
God,
this
okay,
I just marked it out for you guys. That's it.
That would have been too wide.
What? No, it wouldn't have.
Which one?
94.75, bro. That bottom ticked. 10-point stop.
Oh yeah.
Let's see the RR on this. 10-point stop is 84. To this high, it's a 7.5 R. First time using Apex, any advice on how to handle unrealized drawdown? So if you're first time using Apex and you want to handle the trailing drawdown, just be quick to TP. All right. First thing, that's the only thing I could like tell you. Be quick to TP. Okay. Why didn't you take the trade? We didn't really have SMT, so to me it was an A+, especially if I've already taken 2 trades on the day. So the last trade that I take has to be A+, right? But it's still a good level. I'm a new subscriber using ICT concept. Yeah, some of them, yep.
Still got a decent amount of drawdown. Just...
It's $110 and less than what you started with.
Close out green for the day. Yo, you first.
Was basically the 5-minute gap in the 15-minute, or what else is the 15-minute, bro? 15-minute, and there was no 5-minute there. It was literally just the 15-minute. But the 5-minute is like too small, but yeah, it was there. There was a 1-minute there too. No 1-minute. Never mind. 5-minute and 15-minute, yes. Oh yeah, gold, bro. Fucking GC. Jeez Louise.
I'm on the 15-minute.
Insane.
That long ass candle.
Yeah, insane. Are we going up or down? Well, right now it seems like it's going up, isn't it? You guys see the same thing I do. Yeah, I'm about to end live here soon, guys. About to end live. Make sure you guys join the free Discord. If you're one of the Kahoot winners, make sure you open a ticket if you haven't already. I think everybody got the Kahoot. All right, yep. All right, cool. Cool. I'll see you guys Monday morning, I will be live at 9 a.m. sharp. So be here Monday morning. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on the post noties. It'll tell you exactly when I go live. And make sure you join the free Discord. Okay? Not tonight. There's no Asia tonight, brother. It's a Friday. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Love you all. Peace out.